So ADK, as you all know, ADK is now a new buzz days nowadays, right? So agent development kit, it is all, from the name itself, you can see it has an all framework kind of development kind of kit. It actually has it around. So you can create multi-agent system, you can create sequential agents. So personally, I think A2A and ADK both works together to solve multi-agent kind of things. Also, without ADK, you can include a sequential agent also. My personal favorite thing was a GCH agent that I have built recently, which actually goes and create a bucket, delete a bucket, list the objects inside the bucket, and then list the topmost largest objects inside the bucket, right? So as you can see, the AI is growing fastly. Deploying the applications is also a very crucial part in that. So ADK comes around all different orchestration to deploy. For example, if you want to deploy your AI agents to GKE, to let's say Vertex AI, or let's say Cloud Run, so it is very easy to deploy because it is model agnostic and it is cloud agnostic, so you can deploy it anywhere you want. So you have used A2A as well, right? So you can see A2A delegate those tasks to different AI agents. Like, so can you put some light around the multi-agent AI system?
Actually, whenever I need to explain this A2A thing, I take one reference from one of my friends, Sarthak, related to how they use this terminology to explain this A2A system. So for an example, as a traveler, you just go to a hotel. Always whenever there is some kind of issue, you always call to reception. And then receptionists take those requests and redirect those requests to the respective folks. Maybe it's around food, it's around room service, it's around cleaning or something else, right? In the same way, this A2A system works. Behind the scene, there is an orchestrator agent which take all the requests and redirect that request to the specific agent. I think in the day-to-day workflow, you have tried it out, like whenever you use Gemini and deal with different kind of files type. Like for an example, if I want to generate a image, so every time you will see that whenever request, could you please generate an image like this? It always redirects traffic to imagine. So the Gemini UI which you are interacting with, it's an orchestrator LLM, and behind the scene Imagine 3 is something which is a model which is working behind the scene. So this particular workflow is the real world scenario of A2A. I think while working on these kind of technologies, not just these two are making a full end-to-end impactful application. There are a lot of tools like MCP is also something which is currently booming. And I think using MCP integration with these tools can make a real world use case scenario. And I think if you can put some highlight on MCP would be great.
Sure.